What's going on, guys? It's Optical, and in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, and doing a sound test of the Skyloong Sk61 60% mechanical keyboard. So guys, I am super excited to unbox this and just try it out. I did a lot of research on it, and it looks like a pretty good keyboard. It released back in May 2020, so it is fairly recent. And yeah, I'm super excited to do this. So there was 4 options for different switches. There's Gateron Blue, Gateron Red, Gateron Black, and Gateron Brown. And I didn't know too much about Gateron switches, so I did a little bit of research. And I didn't want the blue switches because those are extremely clicky and extremely loud. So I got the black Gateron optical switches, and I'm super excited about it, guys. So honestly, let's just open it up and let's get it, guys. This is made by it is like manufactured by Maker and made by Skyloong. So yeah, let's just open it, guys. Okay, you guys are gonna see the keyboard before me. Let's go. Oh my gosh. So guys, there's 3 different color options for this. There's the gray, there's the black, and then there's also the pink. I got the gray version because when I was seeing it on Amazon, it looked kind of retro and kind of cool, and I really liked that look. Also, guys, one thing that stood out to me about this keyboard is that you guys will notice that there's no, like, keys underneath every single letter. There's no FN keys underneath, which a lot of keyboards have that. A lot of 60% keyboards have that because there's not enough space to put it. And that's why this keyboard looks so nice, because as you guys can see right here, there is just the plain lettering, nothing underneath, and it looks very nice and very clean. So, yeah, that's what the keyboard looks like. USB-C on the top right there, you guys, to plug in. There's also this pamphlet, typing for English, and I think, yeah, for English. Okay, guys, so then we have the cable right here, you guys, and we have 2 more things in this little box, I think. Yep, we have this little box right here, and let's see what it is, guys. Okay, so we have the metal switch puller. This is to actually change like the Gateron switches, and then this is the keycap puller, so you can interchange the keycaps. So you got 2 of those right there, and then also you have the Mac OS hot swappable keys. So if you guys want to use this for a Mac device, you can. I'm just gonna open it real quick, you guys. So as you guys can see, if you don't want to use this for a Windows PC, you can use it for Mac. As you guys can see right here, you have command. Sorry, let's try and get nice and close. Command. So you have command right there, you guys. We also have control. And last but not least, we have option right there, guys. Okay, so those are the Mac switches right there. And like I said, yeah. Also, we have this, like I showed you guys earlier. Boom. And then there's the keyboard. So let's honestly just open it up, guys, and get into it. Okay, guys. Wow. Let's go, you guys. It is looking like a very nice keyboard, as you guys can see right there. Obviously, we have the red escape key in the front, and then, or at the top, sorry, and then we have the gray switches, and then just the white keys. So, yeah, you guys, let's get a typing test of this, and let's just get right into it. Okay, guys, so I'm going to do the typing test and how it sounds. The mic is extremely close, as you guys can see right here. I have the blue snowball mic just to pick up the nice sounds. And like I said, you guys, it is Gateron black switches. So as you guys can see, it's kind of rattly, especially the keys on the side. The tab, the shift, the control, like enter, all that. These keys are kind of rattly, but it's very not noticeable. Also, the spacebar feels nice. Some people are saying that it was a little bit rattly as well, but spacebar feels pretty nice. Typing honestly feels pretty smooth. I've never used Gateron blacks, but they are very smooth and pretty nice, honestly, guys. So guys, the keys in the center, the letter keys, are actually pretty silent. They're honestly pretty nice. Like, It's not very loud, very clicky. Like I said, I didn't get the blues. The blue switches are the very loud and clicky ones, so that's why I didn't want them. But yeah, it's a very nice keyboard, guys. It has some good heft to it. It doesn't feel like cheap plastic. You guys can't twist and turn it. You can't bend it. It's a very good material, you guys. It doesn't really feel like it's a cheap model, and it's not really like it feels pretty good. I feel like they use pretty good materials, guys. And yeah. Okay, guys, another thing that I really like about this keyboard is that there is no, like, modeling on the side. There's no, like, logos. It's very nice and very clean, as you guys can see right here. If there was a little logo, it doesn't matter, but some of the keyboards are, like, obviously trying to, like, show the brand wherever they can. But this is very clean and very simplistic, and I really enjoy it a lot, you guys. Okay, guys, so this is a fully sized Razer Skyloong keyboard. It is a 100% keyboard, and then here is the 60% keyboard, as you guys can see right here. So for a little bit of a size test, as you guys can see right here, I'm just going to try and place it in the middle. As you guys can see right here, a little bit of a size test. It is way smaller, guys, as you guys can see right there. Okay, so as you guys can see right here, here is when you're playing with a sideways keyboard on the full 100% Skyloong right here, as you guys can see right there. It is very hard to play with because it's, like, very long. But then comparison with the 60% keyboard, it takes up way less space, you guys, and it's just going to be way easier, as you guys can see right here. Okay, guys, so in my personal opinion, this is honestly such a good 60% gaming keyboard. Honestly, I would recommend it to anybody that is looking for a nice, good priced gaming keyboard, but not looking to spend too much money on like a Ducky 1-2 Mini. This is honestly such a good bet. It's around $60, guys, so it's really not that expensive compared to all the other really nice quality 60% keyboards. And yeah, this is honestly a really good keyboard, guys. So yeah, make sure you guys leave a like, share with friends, subscribe, and that's gonna be a dope out, you guys. Peace.